Ìkòkò tí ó jata, ìdí rẹ̀ ó gbóná. Ìkòkò tí ó jata, ìdí rẹ̀ ó gbóná. In English, it simply means the pot that want to enjoy the delicious soup will definitely pass through the fire. Just as we know that if you want to cook, you must put the pot on the fire. And the first thing, so to say, that will taste that soup is the pot. Now, if a pot says it wants to enjoy the taste of the soup, but it's not willing to be put on fire, that pot cannot enjoy that soup. What is the meaning of this proverb? What are we trying to say? It's an adage of paying the price. What do you want to achieve in life? Which level of success are you desiring to attain? You must be ready to pay the price. For example, a student who wants to score A in all his exams must be ready to burn the midnight candle, reading, discussing with others, trying harder, reading better than before to have a better performance. Ikoko tí ó jata, ìdí rẹ̀ ó gbóná. You can't say you want to be successful in business, for example, and you are not working hard, networking, advertising, making your shop neat, making your product attractive to people. Whatever you want in life come at a price, and you must be ready to pay the price. Ìkòkò tí ó jata, ìdí rẹ̀ ó gbóná.